Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a simple face cleanser. Cleansing is a fundamental step in any skincare routine, helping to remove daily grime, excess oil, and makeup. By following a few straightforward steps, you can ensure your skin feels fresh and clean, ready for the next steps in your regimen. This process takes just a few minutes each day. Before you even touch your face, make sure your hands are thoroughly clean. This prevents the transfer of unwanted bacteria to your skin. Next, splash your face with lukewarm water. This helps to open up your pores slightly. Then, squeeze about a pea-sized amount of your chosen gentle cleanser into the palm of one hand, ready for application. Now, with the cleanser in your hands, gently apply it to your damp face. Use your fingertips to massage the product in small, upward circular motions. Concentrate on areas prone to oiliness, like your forehead, nose, and chin, for approximately 30 seconds. Remember, the goal is a gentle cleanse, not a vigorous scrub, to protect your skin's natural barrier. After thoroughly cleansing, rinse your face completely with lukewarm water. Ensure all traces of the cleanser are removed, as any residue can lead to irritation. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing, which can be harsh. Finally, apply your favorite moisturizer within 1 minute to lock in hydration and keep your skin feeling supple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.